Hey guys, we are in the Crusader Castle, about to go into one of Dr. Hudson's and Dr. Zocco's favorite rooms. Dr. Zocco, you want to tell them about it?
This is the latrine hall. As we go in, people would, may I say, go on the upper floor, and the archaeological find is amazing. Listen to what Dr. Hudson has to say about this.
Now again, look up and look at the scale of this. And it's a little easy to get used to this. Like, okay, more rocks. Right, Maddie? But once again, you see the arches. But when I say look at the scale and take this in, this was their bathroom. And in a lot of ways, this is, I'm not going to say it's modeled on the Roman style of baths or bathrooms, but it kind of is. And so the Crusaders, the folks who came here, going to the bathroom, you did it together. And it was a social time. So you all went to the bathroom together. There was really no privacy. The deposits would go down below. And this was something that people shared, as far as we know, as a social event. Now, I don't know about you, but that's disgusting. But, you know, we're Americans, and we think very differently about this. If you're an anthropologist, maybe you can study this one day. But this was a public bathroom. Now, what's very interesting here is, and forgive me for putting it this way, this is a gold mine for archaeologists. Because when people go to the restroom, they drop their wallets and they drop change and they drop their keys and they drop, you know, Maddie's never done this, but some of you may have even dropped your telephone into the toilet. And so eventually when they excavated this area, unbelievable what they found. And I mean, from jewelry to coins, just all kinds of things. And so it literally was a gold mine of how people lived, how they adorned themselves, so forth and so on.